Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Sac Tech Gadgets. Today I've brought some incredibly useful kitchen gadgets that will make your kitchen tasks easier and more enjoyable. Some of these gadgets are so unique that you might not have seen them before. And the best part? They're very affordable and you can purchase them through the links provided in the description box. But before we start the video, I have a small request for you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, as I keep bringing exciting and practical gadgets like these for you. So let's dive into the video, starting with number 14, Vegetable Mill. Friends, you can use this vegetable mill to grind vegetables. All you have to do is place the vegetables on top, and by rotating its handle, the vegetables will easily get ground and fall below. Using this gadget, you can prepare tomato chutney, potato patties, or spices for any other dish. This gadget can save both time and effort in the kitchen. Number 13, Water Bottle Organizer Rack. Friends, having cold water in the summer is a great relief, and for this, the water bottle organizer rack can be very useful. With the help of this bottle organizer, you can keep your bottles in an organized manner. During the summer, you can place it in your fridge to keep water bottles arranged and save space as well. It's also very easy to clean and comes in 2 different sizes, which you can choose according to your convenience. Number 12, Hamburger Press. Friends, to make perfect burgers at home, you can use this hamburger press. Simply fill it with the ingredients, attach the provided plates, and press to get perfectly shaped burger patties. You can make up to 10 patties at once using this gadget. So, if you love burgers, this is a fantastic tool for your kitchen. You can buy it on Amazon, and the purchase link is available in the description box. Number 11, Cake Decorating Set. Friends, if you want to decorate cakes or pancakes at home, this cake decorating pen will be very useful for you. It comes with 5 different types of nozzles that allow you to decorate cakes, cupcakes, pancakes, or pastries in any way you like. You can buy this for just Amazon. Number 10, Rotatable Bowl. This rotatable bowl can spin at a 360-degree angle, preventing your vegetables from falling into the sink. Made of food-grade material, it is safe for washing hot items as well. This colander is divided into 2 parts, allowing you to use one part as a bowl. Number 9, Silicone Pot Holder. This oddly shaped item is a silicone pot holder that helps you easily lift hot pots and pans without burning your hands. It features stripes to ensure a good grip, preventing hot utensils from slipping or falling. Cleaning it is also very easy, as it is designed to be washable. You can purchase it for Amazon, and the purchase link is available in the description box. Number 8, Food Processor. This food processor is a versatile tool that allows you to perform multiple tasks in the kitchen. It comes with various blade attachments, enabling you to chop vegetables, beat eggs, and mix cream effortlessly. Additionally, you can use it to store food as well. This food processor can be a highly useful addition to your kitchen. Number 7, Electric Dishwasher. Washing dishes after meals can become a tiring and boring task, but with this electric dishwasher, you can do this task easily. Just place the dishes inside and turn it on. It automatically rotates, cleaning your dishes effortlessly. You can wash plates, spoons, and other utensils in it. So guys, if you want to wash your dishes without any effort, you can use this electric dishwasher. Number 6, Tomato Corer. In the kitchen, tomatoes are used in many types of dishes, but often there is a problem when it comes to removing the core of the tomato, which leads to a significant amount of the tomato being wasted. With this small tool, you can easily remove the core of the tomato and prevent wastage. This is especially useful for those who want perfectly shaped and fresh tomatoes in their dishes. Number 5, Knife Sharpener. A vegetable slicer helps hold vegetables in place while slicing them, ensuring uniform cuts every time. This tool is especially useful for quickly preparing vegetables for salads, stir-fries, or other dishes. It prevents accidents and makes the slicing process faster and more efficient, so you can focus on other tasks in the kitchen. With its sharp blades and stable design, a vegetable slicer is a must-have gadget for anyone looking to streamline their meal prep. Number 4, Dishwashing Gloves. With the help of these gloves, you can protect your hands while washing dishes. These gloves come with built-in brushes, allowing you to clean dishes effortlessly while wearing them. Not only do they safeguard your hands, but they also ensure thorough cleaning of utensils. During the winter season, they protect your hands from cold water as well. These gloves are especially useful for those who handle dishwashing regularly, preventing their hands from getting rough or damaged. Number 3, Garlic Peeler. With the help of this garlic peeler, you can easily remove the peels of garlic cloves. All you need to do is place the garlic clove inside the peeler, press it gently on a surface, and roll it. You'll see that the garlic peel comes off completely. This gadget makes peeling garlic effortless and mess-free. You can buy at Amazon for an affordable price. Number 2. Garlic mincer. After peeling garlic, you'll also need to chop it. This garlic mincer is perfect for cutting garlic into small pieces. Simply place the peeled garlic cloves inside, press down, and finely chopped garlic will come out. It's incredibly easy to use and saves a lot of time in the kitchen. Number 1. Dispensing closures. To turn spice packets into jars, you can use these dispensing closures. Simply cut the spice packet from the top and fit the closure onto it. Whenever you need spices, just open the lid of the closure and pour the required amount into your food. This gadget is highly useful as it prevents your spice packets from getting spoiled. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which gadget you liked the most. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and stay safe.